In this video, we'll show you how to set your iPhone to capture photos in JPG format. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by taking a photo. Once you capture it, tap on the photo in the lower left corner, then tap the eye icon at the bottom center. You'll see that the current format is set to HEIF. HEIF files are efficient but can be tricky to work with, so if you want to switch to JPG, here's how you do it. First, exit the camera app and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Once in the camera settings, look for the Formats option and tap it. Now, select Most Compatible. This will ensure that your iPhone saves photos as JPG. Go back to your camera, snap another photo, and tap the thumbnail in the lower left corner. Tap the eye again, and you'll see that the image is now saved in JPG format. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you again soon.